Hello my friends, welcome to Training BKS. Today is 7th of August 2025, so now it's 3 o'clock. So today market get another scare from US. Trump Trump sneezes. People head leg also shake nowadays. Okay. He said he may want to implement 100% tariff on those semiconductor import to US. Okay, but with terms and condition. Terms and condition means you already, if you want to build your factory in US in the future, or already building your factory, already have factory in US, okay, that one will be exempted and there are other terms and conditions. So now this BURSA morning quite fearful but evening slightly okay. So I think our this minister still can maybe still can nego something try to nego and try to clarify okay, because our product also actually is not like we totally produce and send to US, right? We only repackage all those things here okay, repackage, offset, right, repackage and send back to US. So we have to wait and see it's offset is assemble and repackaging assemble, testing, repackaging and testing okay. So these are the third party service that we do a lot of our this technology company and some are making this test equipment so I don't know I don't know how it really affect this tariff so they have to clarify okay. Morning fearful but evening slightly better the fear I think slightly goes down a bit okay. So later we check out the news okay. A quick disclaimer before continue. Disclaimer: be advised that I'm not a professional trader or advisor. I am sharing my trading journey for entertainment purpose only. Any opinions, news, research, analysis, price or other information contained in this video is my own opinion and does not constitute investment advice. I will not accept liability for any loss or damage, including without limitation to any loss of profit, money, asset or any valuables which may arise directly or indirectly from use of information in this video. Trading foreign exchange, indexes, stock market, futures, commodities, energy, precious metal, etc. carry a high level of risk and please trade on your own research and assessment. Please seek advice from a professional financial advisor for your trading needs. Okay, those semiconductor company, okay, just mention a few that involved in this packaging and producing for US company okay. There are this Silterra, Inari, Unisem, Gtronic, MPI, Inari, UMC, okay. So these are some of them Vitrox, these are some of them okay. So we want to continue and see okay what is the progress okay. So okay, let's go check out the global market first. Okay, now it's 3 o'clock, so BURSA up a bit in the evening. Now it's 1544, up 3.4 points, 0.221%. Okay, Singapore up 0.823%, Hong Kong up 0.703%, South Korea up 0.924%, Japan up 0.648%, Thailand up 0.814%, China FTSE up 0.369%, China SSE up 0.166%. China SXSE dropped 0.191%, Australia dropped 0.139%, Taiwan up 2.373%. So Taiwan, a lot of their company is exempted that's why suddenly got rebound okay. India Nifty dropped 0.538%. So Nifty got extra tariff because they are buying this Russia oil okay. Look at UK no no reading yet okay. UK and DAX for now okay, and wait they are just going to open soon okay. Look at Dow Jones yesterday up 0.184%, US NYSE up 0.156%, S&P up 0.728%, and Nasdaq up 1.209%. So US still got some rebound. Crude palm oil up 4,226, Brent oil 66 not strong, crude oil 64 also not strong. gold getting stronger, 3,456. Silver is 38.31 lah. So all these there is some analysts saying lah, okay, US probably you have a retracement okay, after all these continuous rebound, big surge I mean, it's just matter of time you will come back down gravity everything goes up, will come back down, right? Okay, so probably it will come back down soon, and when it come back down okay, when fear creep into the market okay, gold might go to 4,000 this is what I am hearing whether it happen or not, I'm not sure okay. No one can confirm okay. USD 4.2250, slightly down. Bitcoin 114 and Ethereum up a bit at 3,007. Okay, let's look at BURSA first. Okay, now it's 1546 up 4.97 points, 0.32%. Sentiment is 40, gainers is 354. Okay, losers is 527 unchanged is 466, untrade is 1160 not active okay, quite a lot untrade. Foreign fund just continue to sell 100 net sell 175 million, so local institutions supporting for 149 million and local retail 25 million net buyer. Okay, so okay, it's not too bad yet for this semiconductor Inari still up a bit okay, but other than that does not look so good. Okay, look at the sector, we know okay, look at the sector in percentage let me double check the sound. Okay. Okay, construction up drop 0.18 all in percentage, consumer drop 0.34, energy drop 0.54, finance drop 0.28, healthcare drop 0.16, industry drop 0.13, plantation drop 0.03, property up 0.15, REIT drop 0.2, technology up 0.15. Still got up evening drop like morning drop like drop like mad, but now came back a bit so probably our semiconductor is safe because we are not producing the chip, right? We are repackaging only okay. We are just doing this test assemble and test okay. Telco up 0.64%, transportation drop 0.34%, and utilities up 0.39%. Okay, generally it's still weak today. Okay, still weak. Okay, look at the chart first. KLCI. Okay, KLCI still pushing higher pushing higher. The next break, the big one is here okay, so it is pushing higher. It broke the mother and son, so it broke the 1540. Still pushing higher. We might have a double bottom here, so looks like it's pushing higher KLCI but I kind of feel like this push is a little bit how do you call it thin okay, I call it thin, or probably are not so reliable because you look at the foreign fund keep on selling, right? It's so much, so this is probably some kind of dressing from the local institution, but I don't know but I'm not very confident yet okay, if you ask me okay, but it does manage to do a double bottom here so this could be a one push, it could be a push up okay, but I doubt this one is this push up probably is KLCI short sediri one I don't think all the industry, all the other sector will follow I don't think so because judging and look at this push up and look at all the sector, right, all in red, right, does not look like a very convincing one okay. Ace market trying to support okay, but it's all downtrending for now you see it's starting to downtrend already, right? Okay, it's starting to downtrend already okay. Maybe bull flag, maybe a bull flag breakup, we have to wait and see okay. Evening slightly better the conditions slightly better, small mid cap also slightly, the drop also lessen a bit, small cap also okay, but small cap already dropped below support the below support, which is not so good. Okay, look at all the other sector nothing much today, nothing much. Maybe look at the technology okay, technology it's just holding it's trying to hold the this one is trying to hold the pattern but a bit for me it's starting to look a bit like a bear flag okay, a bit like a bear flag, okay, a bit like a bear flag to me, okay. This is not so good okay, a bit of a bearish flag, okay. We're going to continue monitor okay. Doesn't look so good for now, okay. Look at other than that not much. Look at US Take a quick look at S&P. Okay, gap down now, trying to close the gap. Looks, for me, right, this also look like a bear flag. If you go to 4 hour, right, okay, you can see, right, it's a bit like a bear flag, okay. Okay, I think, most likely I think it's on its way down also. But we have to see Dow Jones, okay, Dow Jones, see how. Okay, that's why I think it might come back and test the neckline, so it cannot drop below the neckline, okay. Maybe it come back, scare the market a bit, come back to here, maybe have one more rebound. We have to wait and see, okay, because Fed rate cut might bring another rebound. But I want to see how far the damage, how far the drop before the Fed rate cut. If Fed confirm rate cut, maybe it will rebound. But if it already drop a lot, maybe it's just opportunity to run. There's no more higher market moving higher okay. So we have to continue to see okay. Okay, look at this Facebook a bit. These are the news all the chip, the semiconductor news. Later I'm gonna take a look Other than that, all scammer Nobody want to comment anymore All full of scammer Yesterday got comment Oh yeah, I got put this CKI CKI already sell signal come out already so let go first, let it go lower, then we maybe try again so okay, this wave okay, already slow, already koyak already so wait for the next wave okay. Cut loss first, wait for it to drop lower, rebound, then maybe try again I think maybe it might do a double bottom here, okay. Maybe do double bottom here, then we try again, okay. I think there is some, I mean when it's low, right, you can see there is buying interest okay, there is buying interest. Nobody comment very weird This new browser some comment you can't see. Actually there is comment Let me double check. There are comments over here. Okay, but too many scam. That's why I blocked so many scam. Now all the comments also doesn't come out. Yeah, here. Yeah, here got scam. Here got comment. Andy, today our guardian angel technology sector cannot support drop already. But evening they managed to bring it out a bit Trump say Trump pattern like playing badminton who is this? Our king and this Putin went to meet with Putin let's drink say. Okay, look, yesterday no English YouTube video didn't appear Oh no, I just I just realized I put it to schedule I supposed to schedule yesterday okay, now I put it to schedule up to today so only just now only I publish I really sorry because what happened because nowadays when I upload it don't immediately process, it takes time to process, so I have to schedule it to publish later. Last time whenever I upload video almost immediately it managed to process and I can publish immediately. Now cannot, now have to wait 20 minutes for it to process. So it takes longer time. So I schedule, but I put the date today, wrong date already. That's why I didn't come out. I just enable I just published just now only. Sorry about that. Look, Angel 6556. 6556. Angel not so fast, right? Oh, Angel need to wait lah, not so fast lah. Okay. So it might drop to here lah, drop to back to here. Let go first lah, drop it lower, then only buy it. Then only try again lah. Okay. This one, try to buy at the low lah. Okay, buy at the low lah. Okay. They trying to stimulate the steel market. I mean, slowly I do think it's like that lah. I don't think it's very strong, but slowly I think it's making a bottom now lah. It could be lah, making a bottom now, but nobody knows for sure lah. With all this tariff thing going, who knows, the next one still gonna tariff again. For now, don't hold a lot lah. Hold little bit, okay lah. Test water, okay lah. Customer price low, can buy. As I said, right, with the SST, I don't think people will drink beer so much. You see, already happened already, right? Already big drop already. So, okay, already koyak lah. Okay, I told you lah. I don't think with the SST increase, I mean with the implementation of SST, people will buy more beer. I think people will buy less beer lah. Because beer by itself already quite expensive, right? Okay, beer by itself is not cheap, right? So then some more add with the SST. I doubt beer will go higher lah, but we have to wait and see lah. Okay. It's starting to drop. It's drop below the support. So still okay lah, still got some support, but doesn't look good lah. Doesn't look good lah. You look at this, right? What is forming, right? You look at this, right? Okay. Okay. Head and shoulder, right? Okay. So the support line is here lah. Just starting to drop below the support line lah, so take note lah. Okay, the support line is around 70.54 lah, so it's just starting to drop below 70. So this is not, I mean, I don't, for me, I don't think lah, I'm not saying that if you get no chance to go up, but for now, I doubt with the SST, I doubt this beer can, the beer can get a better performance. But stock price increase, buy earning drop, stock price increase. Later we take a look lah. Okay. Sign property. Okay, coming to the text neckline, I said I'm not very keen. Yes, it do have a kind of a head and shoulder lah, but not at the high, at the low. I mean, not at the low, at the high lah. So I'm not very keen. I said I told you lah, it's very high, very property lah. Okay, so seems like it's not really supporting the head and shoulder. Okay, looks like going to break lah. Okay, so we cannot hold here. I think koyak already lah. If we cannot hold 148 lah, I think koyak lah. Okay, 147 lah. You watch 147 lah. I said I'm not keen on this one lah. You see the target price also already exceed already lah. Okay. Darren. Waiting extreme fear. Elton. Darren. Okay. So let's check out some news lah.
Malaysia seeks details on US plan to impose 100% tariff on chip imports. Zafrul. Malaysia has asked the US for details on its plan to impose a 100% tariff on semiconductor chips made in countries without US-based manufacturing. Investment. Trade and Industry Minister Tengku Datuk Seri Zafrul Abdul Aziz said the ministry has contacted the US Trade Representative and the Department of Commerce to understand how the tariff would be implemented. We hope that any policy changes and exclusion criteria can be communicated and negotiated early, so that Malaysia's role as a strategic trading partner can continue to be preserved, Zafrul told Parliament during ministerial question time on Thursday. On Wednesday, US President Donald Trump reportedly said the US would impose a tariff of about 100% on imported semiconductor chips, and that the new tariff rate would apply to all chips and semiconductors coming into the United States. However, Trump said the tariff would not apply to companies that had already committed to manufacturing in the US or were in the process of doing so.
Okay. This was the news okay, on the semiconductor.
Semiconductor shares slide as Trump announces 100% tariff on chip imports.
Okay, let's look at PENTA.
Pentamaster's 2Q profit down 41% on lower contribution from factory automation biz, forex losses.
Okay, let's see their business got improved or not. Second quarter last year 171 million, now 144 so drop revenue so drop, profit 90 million to 11 million, so drop 41% YOY okay. PENTA is ATE, I think PENTA is not offset, it's not the packaging, assembly packaging of semiconductor, and PENTA is ATE, means manufacturing of the test product and automation product test equipment, so it's not directly impacted okay. Looks like it that's why today up PENTA. Head and shoulder so it's coming to test, it's coming to the target I think this time really it's coming to the target okay. For now okay today up, today volume 1 million average to 3 million, so it's still trying to go up to the 425 here okay, still okay okay for PENTA. Okay.
Azam Jaya wins IM 121 mil to WOW Airport upgrade job.
Okay, Azam Jaya breakthrough. Very volatile, scary. Okay. What is this? First break okay, this one koyak already first break koyak So you know once you koyak, you see the sell signal boom 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 come out this one koyak. So let me see now. Still very scary this one. Azam Jaya. Okay. Let's chart. I think stay above 112 only we talk Stay above 112 okay, for it to go higher okay. It's just very volatile, it's just sideways not going anywhere also okay. For some time already.
彭亨苏丹通过
Sultan of Pahang raises stake in Sita Global to 13.25% via off-market acquisition.
Okay, yesterday video sorry I forgot to upload so now only upload, now got 20 views already so you maybe want to watch this one LC Titan and KGTS first okay, this news yesterday then only if you miss it, you watch this one yesterday got a lot of news to discuss okay. So I forgot to publish just now only publish, I put the wrong date nowadays when when YouTube I don't know YouTube just getting slower Last time I upload straight away I can publish. Okay, now upload cannot. You need to wait like 20 minutes, sometime even longer for it to process the video. I don't know lah. Maybe checking a lot of things lah. About checking about this how do you call it the piloted piracy lah, or privacy lah, piracy lah, all this lah, or maybe a lot of these restriction now okay, probably they have to check all these things lah. Okay.
Farmaniaga completes regularization plan, set to exit PN17 by 2026.
Okay, so looks good lah. Looks like it's not getting delisted, and looks like by 2026 it got chance to exit the PN17 lah. So they did a lot of exercises recently, right? Okay, so take a look at pharma. So now I think pharma for now looks safe lah. Okay, but goring already lah. Now I think have to wait for the news regularization plan. All these news recording finished. Now have to wait for the performance of the company lah. For to get it higher lah, means good profit, all these things lah. Fundamental lah now lah. Good fundamental only I think can bring it up higher lah. I think all the goring news all I think finished already lah. Okay, so it really so it is now we know that it's regularization plan already done, so means it's solid already lah. Okay.
Trump imposes extra 25 PCT tariff on Indian goods. Ties hit new low.
Okay.
South Korea says Samsung, SK Hynix will not be subject to 100% US chip tariffs.
Okay.
Markets rise as Trump chip exemptions boost tech giants. Asian equities rose Thursday, with big-name chip firms making big gains after Donald Trump said those investing in the United States would be exempted from a threatened 100% tariff on semiconductors. The advances built on a strong lead from Wall Street and extended the previous day's rally, fueled by hopes the Federal Reserve will cut interest rates next month, a day before sweeping tariffs were due to come into effect on dozens of countries. The president said, "We're going to be putting a very large tariff on chips and semiconductors." He added that the level would be 100%, but did not offer a timetable. Saliran inks MOU with Maoming Port, PCA for oil and gas collaboration.
Okay. Saliran, nothing much happening lah. It's just like making a triangle lah, probably. You need to have big volume up first, then only we talk lah. Okay. Big volume above 22 cents, then probably only we talk.
ITMAX secures second smart parking contract in Selangor.
Okay, IDMAX lah. Okay, so IDMAX really heading lah. Okay, heading towards the target here, 4.7 potential. Hong Leong Bank 5.17 also potential lah. So this could be, I think this, as I said lah, this is coffee. Can buy some coffee lah. Okay. This one, there's a chance lah. Pay some coffee money maybe can So it's very high lah. ITMAX is very high lah. Okay, it was 130, now already 4 ringgit already lah. So you are not chasing at 1 ringgit, 2 ringgit, 3 ringgit. You want to chase at 4 ringgit. So I don't know what to say lah. But if you, as I said lah, if you got the kung fu, yes, there is the potential to get some coffee money here lah. Okay.
Malaysia's IPI rose significantly by 3% in June 2025.
Okay. IPI is Industrial Production Index lah. It means the industry is doing okay lah.
SD Guthrie earnings up 22% in 2Q. Declares dividend of 7.75 sen.
Okay, 5 billion to 5.2 billion revenue, so business growth, profit 415 to 505 million, so 21% up, okay, year over year, so looks good. Okay, SPG looks good. Business up and profit up, healthy. So SPG long term slowly I think it's moving towards all these target take some dividend and hope for, I think it's long term don't expect volatility, fly here, fly there okay, you won't do it
Toyota cuts annual profit estimate, expects 9.5 billion United States dollars tariff hit.
Okay, so now market start to slow down I think now they feel the pain initially was negotiation. Initially a lot of negotiation, but the tariff haven't really implemented. Just a lot of scare here, scare there. But now it's really started to kena So I think the market, I think US also will drop a bit. US also will drop long term. I don't know long term, short term, but I think US starting to correct already. So market finally wake up already I think the pain will come The only thing that can temporarily stop the suffering is the Fed cut rate. Maybe one more rebound. I think then it will start to drop to a kind of a recession kind of feel recession kind of market I think okay. Okay, a quick message before I continue. Remember, like, share, comment, support the channel okay, all the links are at the description area. Link to CGS, iTrade, TradingView and this Luno. Okay, you use my link you can get some reward some discount, all these things so you want to open account with CGS to invest in Malaysia, Singapore, Hong Kong, US market. Okay, you can try CGS. My friend is a reminder very friendly guy Okay, if you want to buy crypto down there, the Luno, you want to open this TradingView, this chart software that I'm using you can try the free version, paid version also can. You use my link okay. Okay, the Naga strong today. Look at the Naga, slightly strong okay. The Naga okay but the Naga is still zigzag in between here in between this 12 to 14 For me, nothing much to play. Maybe still can go higher because you know the electric bill, probably goes up the tariff goes up, right? So maybe still get, but really very high I'm not chasing here already so high. Okay, already 2022 it was just like 7 ringgit, 7 ringgit now already 14 double up already, so I'm not chasing here. It might still break out and get some coffee money, but I'm not keen to chase here as I said okay. Now it's just sideways it's not going anywhere you look at the chart, it's just sideways it's not going anywhere. Then you have a false break as I said whenever a false break happen, you normally go back to the support. Okay, resistance false break tak jadi, you come back to support so it's coming back almost near to the 12 ringgit here normal that one. PETGAS today up 3% so looks like they're still okay okay, but they are getting they have a lot of problem they also got tax bill already. PETGAS finally break out already PETGAS also want to go higher. We got a consolidation here, a flat pattern here, so breaking out looks like it's coming back to this 20 got chance okay, as long as it must stay above here, but this is also high, chasing high pay some coffee money maybe, but it must stay above 18.2 okay. Ajia continue to fly okay. Okay. Okay, heading the target already okay. UWC up 3%. UWC still going look, it's breaking to this one okay. So UWC I think heading towards this let me see put it here first this Hong Leong target first don't put it too far yet. Okay, maybe 3 ringgit to 3.27 okay. Geshen okay, trying to rebound from bottom channel, maybe trying to rebound from bottom channel. Okay, this one maybe coffee money Can try red color momentum volume 63 over 1000 to 300 over 1000. Okay, got some momentum. As long as say about 1.53, maybe can get some coffee money towards 2 ringgit there. Rapid today also got some momentum lah, but I'm not very keen to chase lah. Okay. Still up a bit, but I'm not very keen to chase. SAG hit target already lah. Okay. Oh, further than target lah. Triangle breakout. Wow, another triangle. Oh, wait a minute. Let me see. Potential here lah, I think. Come to here. Break. Flat pattern. Break a flat pattern. Break a small triangle. Okay, I think it's got chance to move here lah. Okay. But these are all coffee money lah, better danger lah. 1 ringgit I think the next target lah. Okay, 1 ringgit got chance lah. But it must stay above here lah. It must stay above here I think. Okay, must stay above here. Okay. We cannot hold 85 cents. You have to be careful lah. Okay. Okay, so that's it for today. Don't forget watch the yesterday video on LC Titan okay, and KJTS lah. Okay. So I'll talk to you. Sorry about that. Yesterday video didn't manage to publish properly. I'll talk to you again tomorrow. Bye bye.